Did you know that professionals waste countless hours every year just organizing and fixing diagrams? What if there was a faster, smarter way? Today, we're putting Edraw AI to the test. Can it create a complex diagram in just 10 minutes? Let's find out. Welcome to the future of diagramming. In 2025, AI is changing everything, and Edraw AI is at the forefront. But does it really make a difference? Today, we're exploring how Edraw AI works, testing its capabilities, and seeing if it's truly a game changer for productivity. Creating diagrams should be simple, but if you've ever used tools like PowerPoint, Visio, or even pen and paper, you know the struggle is real. Think about it. Manually dragging shapes into place, wasting time aligning and connecting elements, reworking entire structures when changes happen. This can slow down projects, kill productivity, and create frustration. But what if AI could automate the process? Here's where Edraw AI comes in. It's not just another diagramming tool, it's an AI-powered assistant that automates the hardest parts of the process. Watch this. AI auto-generate. Simply type your concept, and Edraw AI instantly builds a diagram for you. Smart formatting. No more struggling with alignment. The AI optimizes the layout automatically. Pre-made templates. Need a flowchart, mind map, or org chart? Done in seconds. One-click customization. Change themes, colors, and structures with ease. Let's look at a real case study. A marketing agency using Edraw AI reported a 70% reduction in time spent on diagramming. Before, 2 hours to manually create workflow diagrams. After, 20 minutes with Edraw AI's automation. And it's not just businesses. Students, project managers, and designers are all saving time and effort with this tool. So, is Edraw AI worth it? Absolutely. If you want to save time, reduce frustration, and create professional quality diagrams effortlessly, this tool is a must-try. Now it's your turn. Have you ever struggled with diagramming? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more game-changing AI tools, check out my next video right here.